Now, let us discuss the second topic in enzymes, that is isoenzymes. What are isoenzymes? First, let us discuss the definition of these isoenzymes. Isoenzymes are the different form of same enzymes which catalyzes the same reaction. Isoenzymes are the different form of same enzymes which catalyzes the same reaction are called isoenzymes. Now, let us discuss how these are formed. How these are formed means the formation of isoenzymes is little bit complicated, but if we study this formation of isoenzymes with some codings, it is easy to understand. Now, there is a mnemonic to remember the formation of isoenzymes, that is true ladies is allowed. True ladies is allowed. This is a mnemonic to remember the formation of isoenzymes. What is this true ladies is allowed means? True means true isoenzymes. These are the true isoenzymes which are formed from the different genes of different chromosomes. True isoenzymes are formed from different genes of different chromosomes. These are the true isoenzymes. Example is amylase. Example is amylase. This amylase has two forms. One is salivary amylase and other one is pancreatic amylase. This is an example of isoenzymes, that is amylase, which has two forms, salivary amylase, other one is pancreatic amylase. These are the true isoenzymes. Next one, L is L for lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase. Now, this lactate dehydrogenase has 5 different types of isomers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 different types of isomers of lactate dehydrogenase. This type of isomers will be found in or is present in same individual. These are present in same individual. This is about lactate dehydrogenase. And next one is Is means isoforms. Is for isoforms. These isoforms are formed from the post-translational changes or post-translational modifications of proteins. These are formed from post-translation modifications of proteins. These are isoforms. Examples are alkaline phosphatase. Example is alkaline phosphatase. It is example of isoform. Allowed means, and this is third form. And last one is allowed means alloenzymes or alloforms. Alloenzymes or allozymes. Allozymes or alloforms. These are formed from the different alleles of same chromosome. These are formed from different alleles of same chromosome, that is allozymes. Example, glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. Glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase, and these are the formations of isoenzymes, that is true ladies is allowed. True means true isozymes which are formed from different genes of different chromosomes. Example is amylase. L means lactate dehydrogenase, and these are 5 isomers. And is means isoforms. These are formed from the post-translation modifications of proteins. Example is alkaline 6 phosphate, and it consists of 6 different types of isomers. And last one is allowed. Allowed means allozymes or alloenzymes which are formed from different alleles of same chromosomes. Example, glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. These are the different formations of isoenzymes. And let us discuss the examples of isoenzymes. There are 3 examples of isoenzymes. First one is lactate dehydrogenase. Second one is second one is creatinine phosphokinase, or it is also called creatinine kinase. And third one is alkaline phosphatase. These are the 3 examples of isoenzymes. These are the 3 examples of isoenzymes. First one is lactate dehydrogenase. Second one is creatinine phosphokinase, also called creatinine kinase. Third one is alkaline phosphatase. First, let us discuss about lactate dehydrogenase. This lactate dehydrogenase is tetramer, and it consists of subunits of H and M. It consists of 2 subunits of H type and M type. These are 5. This lactate dehydrogenase consists of 5 isoenzymes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 different types of isoenzymes of lactate dehydrogenase. If we consider the subunits of these isoenzymes, that are H and M, this lactate dehydrogenase consists of 4 H molecules. Lactate dehydrogenase 2 consists of 3 H molecules. and one M molecule. And if we discuss about lactate dehydrogenase 3, it consists of 2 H molecules and 2 M molecules. This is about LDH3. If we discuss about LDH4, it consists of 1 H molecule and 3 M molecules. And if we discuss last one, that is LDH5, it consists of 4 M molecules. These are the different types of subunits of LDH1. Now, this LDH1 is present in heart, whereas LDH4 is present in liver, and this LDH5 is present in muscles, and LDH2 and LDH3, these two are present in brain plus RBC. These are the constituents of LDH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally, if we discuss about the range of this LDH1 and LDH2, LDH3, LDH4, LDH5, LDH2 volume will be higher, then compared to all these conditions. But if we consider the case of myocardial infraction, in case of myocardial infraction, LDH1 number will be increased, or the volume of LDH1 content will be increased in heart. This is about myocardial infraction. In case of myocardial infraction, LDH1 number will be increased, then LDH2. In normal, the LDH2 number will be more than all these four different types of LDH, and it is a indicate. This LDH is also called, it is an indicator of myocardial infraction. This is about first type, that is LDH, and second one is creatinine phosphokinase. Example, these creatinine phosphokinase are 3 in number. Kinase 1, creatinine phosphokinase 2, creatinine kinase 3. And it consists of special subunits that like B subunits and M subunits. It is present in B subunits and M subunits. If we consider the subunits in creatinine kinase 1, it consists of BB subunit, and if we consider the creatine kinase 2, consists of DM subunit, and in creatine kinase 3, it consists of MM subunit. That means this BB subunit, creatine kinase 1, is present in brain, and this creatine kinase 3 is present in muscles, and this creatine kinase 2 is present in RBC. It is present in RBC. and the normal range of this creatine kinase is 30 to 300 international units. 30 to 300 international units. Now, if the number of creatine kinase is increased for 2 to 3 times, then it results in hepatitis. It is called hepatitis. Now, if it is increased for 2 to 3 times, then normal range, it results in hepatitis. If the range will increase from 9 to 10 times, then it results in obstructive jaundice. It results in obstructive jaundice. This is about creatine kinase 2 and 1 and 3. This is second example. And last one is alkaline phosphatase. This alkaline phosphatase consists of 6 isomers. These 6 isomers are, first one is alpha 1, second one is alpha 2 heat labile, third one is alpha 2 heat stable, and fourth one is pre-beta, and fifth one is gamma, and sixth one is leukocyte alkaline phosphatase. This is of 6 different types of isomers of alkaline phosphatase: alpha 1, alpha 2 heat labile, alpha 2 heat stable, pre-beta, gamma, and leukocyte alkaline phosphatase. And this alpha 1 isomer of alkaline phosphatase is present in biliary tract. It is present in biliary tract, and alpha 2 heat labile is present in liver, and and alpha 2 heat labile is present in liver, alpha 2 heat stable is present in placenta, and pre-beta type of alkaline phosphate is present in bone. Pre-beta is present in bone, and gamma type of alkaline phosphatase is present in intestine, and last one, leukocyte alkaline phosphatase is present in leukocytes. This is about different types of isoenzymes, that is lactate dehydrogenase, creatine phosphokinase, alkaline phosphatase.